Good morning, my dear students. In our previous grammar class, we learned about alphabetical order, right? How to arrange letters into alphabetical order, right? So, today we will learn about punctuation. Okay, punctuation means what? Yes, full stop, question mark, capital letters, comma, these all belongs to punctuation marks. Okay, so you have to remember one thing, that is, while we are writing names, see, I will write a name. Okay, A N I T H A, Anita. See, which letter I write first? Is this capital or small letter? Yes, it is a capital letter, right? Then one more example, see. S R E E N U, Srinu. Which letter is this? Capital letter, right? So, what you understand from these examples? Yes, the names must be capital while we are writing. The first letter of the name must be capital, okay? And see, yes, sorry, S U N D A Y, Sunday. Sunday first letter what? Capital letter. Okay? This is names of days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. See, Monday. M O N D A Y, Monday. See, M. Which letter I write? Yes, I wrote capital letter. No? So, names of days we have to use capital letters only for the first letter. Okay, students? Sunday, yes, capital letter. Monday, M, capital letter. Tuesday, like that. Every days, first letter must be capital. Okay? Next, months. January, see, J A N U A R Y. What is the first letter? J, capital letter, right? March, see, M A R C H. March, first letter, capital letter. So, yes, months, names of months also we have to use capital letter for first letter. Okay, what are the things we have to remember? While we are writing our name, we have to use the first letter, what? Capital letter. Names, first letter capital. Then days, first letter capital. Months, first letters capital. Okay. And another thing. See, I am a girl. Girl, girl. So, I, capital. Always use capital letter for writing I. am not telling about a word. I means nenu. For that we have to use I capital letter. Don't use, see, I play cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Is this correct? Yes, I wrote small letter I. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. We have to write I like this. Okay, I play cricket. So now it is correct. Okay. So now another thing, the sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter. This is a boy. See, T capital letter. T-H-I-S. This is a boy. Okay, full stop. So the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark If it is a question, we end a sentence with a question mark. And if it is an exclamatory sentence, this all you will learn in the higher classes. Okay, now you learned this. What you have to learn now? Yes, you have to learn full stop and question mark. Okay, the sentence begins with capital letter, ends with a full stop or question mark. Okay, students, understand? Okay, shall we do the exercise part now? Okay, open page number 32. Sorry, page number 52. Okay, see, rewrite each sentence using capital letters and full stops. Okay, we have to rewrite each sentence using capital letters and full stop. Okay, we have to write each and every sentence using capital letters and full stop. Okay, see here the first question. He loves Spider-Man. He loves Spider-Man. So, shall we write? Okay, all are ready? Now, take your pencils. I know that the pencils are with you. Okay. Write along with me. Okay. H. H. Which letter? Capital. H. E. He. Loves. Loves. Spider-Man. Spiderman. Spider-Man, full stop. So see, we start the sentence with a capital letter. This is H, okay? And ends with, here we ends this sentence with full stop, okay? Next, see, I am going to Goa. I, see, here see, I, is this correct? No, I told you no, I must be capital always. I am going, G-O-I-N-G, going to Goa, G-O-A. I am going to Goa, full stop. Okay, I capital, end with a full stop. Next, your mother is there. Your mother is there. Why? See, small letter given, no? So, the sentence start with capital letter. So, these two you have to write. Why capital letter and last full stop. See, please come here. Please come here. So, P capital letter, last full stop. These two you do and send to me. Okay. Next, see. Read each sentence and put a full stop or a question mark at the end. Okay. See, we have to read each sentence and we have to give full stop or question mark. See, dash. In this dash, we have to give the symbols. Okay. What is your name? Is this question? Yes, we have to give question mark. Okay. Have to give. See this boy, what he is doing. Yes, see here. What is your name? Question mark. Then, who is that? Who is that? This is also question. Okay. How are you? How are you? Question, right? This is a question. Play football. Play football. This is not a question, right? So we can give the full stop. Okay. This is my teddy. This is my teddy. Is this question? No. This is statement. So we can give full stop. Okay. My bed is soft. My bed is soft. Is this a question? No, this is a statement. So we can give full stop. Drink the milk. Drink the milk. Is this a question? No, this is not a question. So give full stop. Read a book. Is this a question? No, this is also not a question. Give full stop. Okay? Understand, students? Yes. Next. See, my first sentences. Okay? Rewrite these sentences correctly. Okay? These sentences are not in the correct order. We have to, this is jumbled. The words are jumbled. We have to arrange these into meaningful. Okay? So, sentence means what? Group of words with meaningful. This word is meaningful or not? See, my is friend. Is this meaningful? Did you understand the meaning of this sentence? No, I didn't understand. Hope you also not understood. Right? So, can we write this into meaningful? Yes. See? First of all, we can write the name. What is this? Maina. Right. M capital. Remember? The sentence start with capital letter. M-I-N-A. Maina is my what? Friend. Okay. F-R-I-E-N-D. Full stop. Okay. Now this sentence is meaningful. See, Maina is my friend. Yes. Who is your friend? Tell me, who is your friend? Do you have friends? Yes, you have many friends. Okay, here, Maina is my friend. Okay. I am telling you, Maina is not my friend. Here in the textbook it is given. Okay. See the next one. Is tall tree this? How can we write this? See. Yes. First we can select this. This tree is tall. No? Yes. See. T-H. T capital letter. Okay. We are writing a sentence. So the sentence start with the capital. So T-H-I-S. This tree. T-R-E-E. Tree is tall. Tall means very big. Very big. Full stop. Big tree. Okay. Next. Now this sentence is meaningful. This tree is tall. Okay. Now see. Ramu too is going a party. What funny? No? No, meaningful. So, can we write this into meaningful? Yes, we got a name here. So, we can start this name with the first word. Okay? Ramu. Ramu spelling? R-A-M-U. Ramu. First letter? Capital letter. Okay? Ramu. Where Ramu is going? He is going to a party. Where Ramu is going to a party. Party means what? Some function is going on. So Ramu is going for a party. Ramu is going for a party. P-A-R-T-Y. Full stop. Okay. Next. Where Simmi is. Okay. This question is also not meaningful. Shall we write this into meaningful? Okay. Yes, see, we got a name. So, we will start this sentence with this name. Okay. Shall we start? Yes. Tell me, how can we start this sentence? No, we can't start this with Simmi. Why? Because this is a question. See, I forgot. This is a question. Question mark is there, no? So we can select this word. Okay? W H E R E. Where is Simmi? SIMMY. Question mark. Okay? Where is Simmi? Yes. So we taken the question from here. Where means it is a question. No? Where is Simmi? Question mark. Next. Many questions are there. I will do 5. You have to do remaining 5. Okay? English, this is my book. Can you tell? Tell me. Yes. This is my English book. Right? Yes. Right. T, capital letter. THIS. This is my English is a subject. So, for all subjects we have to use capital letters. Okay, don't use small letter for subject. English, Maths, Telugu, Hindi, all you have to use capital letters. Okay, English spelling E, capital letter E, N, G, L, I, S, H, English. This is my English. Yes, book. B, O, K. Full stop. Okay. Next, will you do this all students? 5 questions are there. Remind. Will you do? Yes, I will tell once. See. Fly, birds, together. Tell me. Yes, see here, birds. No? We can take birds. Birds fly together. Birds fly together. Remember students, B you have to write capital. Okay. And give full stop also at the end of the sentence. Next one, see. In the class quiet keep. Yes, tell me. How will you speak, students? Yes, the teachers will use this sentence always. Keep quiet in the class. No? Keep quiet in the class. Yes, your teacher will tell always. Yes, you have to write. K, capital letter. Okay? Keep quiet in the class. Full stop. Okay? Next. How are old you? From nursery onwards you learned this. How old are you? No? How old are you? So, right. Okay? Start with the capital letter. Is junk food healthy not? Can you tell this? Say. Junk food is not healthy. No? Junk food is not healthy. Okay. But starting letter must be capital. Okay. End full stop. Next. Twice brush day your teeth. So, can you tell? Maybe your mother will tell this sentence always. No? Say, brush your teeth twice a day. No? Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush, B capital letter, end with a full stop. Okay, students. Now, this is first chapter and you have to write everything in your textbook and send to us. Okay, students. Okay, have a nice day.